Wada, nawakaribisha tena sana ndani ya FM Show KE ambapo as of right now tuko na conversation ambayo tumekuwa nayo kuhusiana na siasa za eneo la Mlima Kenya, na as of right now tunaongelea kuhusiana na apology ambayo aliweza kuiachia hapo jana na other than Muigai wa Njoroge. Na before tuingie kwa story ya Muigai wa Njoroge, nimekujetekiria hanini ya nitume rambi zangu na niweza kuzungumza kuhusiana na the passing of Jambiko Ikai. Mimi natambulikana kama Felix Mwenda. Kitambo nilikuwa natambulikana kama Ja Prince ama MC Ja Prince. Nilikuwa mwimbaji wa reggae na nilikuwa MC wa reggae. Jambiko Ikai was among many people that inspired me to do reggae music and to MC reggae music. All I can say is that I have lost a mentor. I have lost somebody that inspired me a lot. I have met Jambiko Ikai personally, and let me tell you, that woman was full of energy. All I can say is rest in peace, legend. Fear the world champion. A Rasta man, a Rasta woman has rested. May Jah guard you through this. May Jah receive you with ululations as we sing in Zion. Tushokere story ito ya umuthi na dreda twariririe. Muigai wa Njoroge kuhoya mwera kiri former President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta na kuira President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ati hadi na abere kurekera Gachagua na kuzamea Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Ni move ambayo Muigai alifanya jana through a poem ambayo alipata kuiandika na aliweza kuiachia kupitia ukurasa wake wa kijamii. And a lot of Kenyans have very different opinions asoa kuhusiana na yale Muigai alipata kuyasema. Nimukujitekiria hani demushokir na thutha aria Muigai wa Njoroge habiririe kuhura thirikari ya former President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta bara. Muigai niwe wari umwe ni Hagikuyu aria hado metekerete muno through their music. Kupitia muziki wake Muigai alikuwa ni kama mwanaharakati vile, mtu ambaye his voice was heard by many. Mego Daito aliimba nyimbo aswa za kuattack the Kenyatta family na kuweza ku make people be aware of the Kenyatta family. Muririkane Muigai niwe wetaga Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta dynasty, niwe wokire na mugambo wa dynasty, na ni mundu uria wathiete na mbere kuhata Uhuru Kenyatta muno. But thaicire ni drama iririe na drama ira irimo ni cioiga na andu ni mararuguka maitho, andu ni marona mbere. Gachagua arahuthira mundu ta Muigai wa Njoroge kukinyira Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta. Reason ya mimi kusema hivi ni if you sit down right now you'll realize that the political wave has taken a new turn. The waves of politics are changing mostly in the Mount Kenya region. Thaici gutwikite ni bara yekire maine na andu a Mount Kenya ri ni mararealize hati Gachagua ni aiketwo njakire thirikari ya President William Ruto, na kure na andu aria mara support William Ruto mwana wa Mount Kenya. Tigaide mwire kure andu akinyaga tugeka differences ici toka andu na tukanyitanira tondu wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Haha tutikwaria tondu wa political ambitions, tutikwaria tondu wa political standing, turaria tondu ithu ni a Kenya na ithu ni andu a kirima. Ithu ni ithu turamenya kiria turahitukira ta andu a Mount Kenya. Gachagua alikuwa ndiye wa mstari wa mbele kumtukana rais. Jana ameweza kuongea Jeremiah Kioni, Secretary General wa chama cha Jubilee. Na yale aliweza kuyasema Jeremiah Kioni ni thibitisho tosha kwamba kuna uwezekano mkubwa wa kuungana kwa Gachagua na Uhuru Kenyatta. Na itigaide mwire andu aya eri makinyitanira ni gugakorwo kuri na a very new thing in the Mount Kenya region. tondu ni tugwika differences cito cia kimicii na personal differences aside, tunyitane tondu wa ruriri. Na nikio Muigai akiaria araugire ruriri mbere. Ni drona comments cianyu andu aingi ni mararuma Muigai wa Njoroge, lakini itigaide murie, ona mwana agikuhitiria ri, kai mwana ucio oragagwo, kai mwana ucio aninagwo? Asa mwana ucio akiuga pole na nietikira hati ni ahitia ri, ni arekagirwo, anasamewa huyo mtoto auawi. Na Gachagua amegundua nilimkosea babangu. Kwa sababu nasema hivi ni kwa sababu Gachagua PA wa President Uhuru Kenyatta, na ni atuikite PA wa Uhuru for a very long period of time. Nikio murono muthi ati Gachagua ni aikara thi, ni ciria na niona haria ahitiirie, na tondu niona ni ahitirie ri, na niona hati ndagituika kingpin wa kirima atiri na support ya Uhuru Kenyatta ri, nikio harahoya mwera kiri Uhuru Kenyatta ndimuririkanie mucemanio wale Muruthiri wahanikire na thuri agema maiko ni maigire atiriri, ithu tutikuneana muthingi witu kiri mundu utarugama augania kwenda giti kia president. Mundu uria wetirie giti kia president wa Kenya nake akiatha bururi witu wa Kenya kaida kamiaka 10 ni Uhuru Kenyatta. Riu Uhuru Kenyatta koroni athire bururi uyu witu wa Kenya ri, na ni mwamuhurire mbara iria tuonire mukimuhura ri, idwe ta Kenya kiria tukuga ni atiriri, tutikuneana muthingi uyu kiri Gachagua ni munini wa president, idwe tukuneana muthingi uyu kiri mundu uria tukuona hena ambitions cia gwetha giti kia president. Ndimuririkanie kura cia President William Ruto ri, 87% ya kura iria Ruto hathanire nacio ciaimite kirima. So 13% are the other Kenyans that voted for him, but 87% ni za Mlima Kenya. Gachagua akiaria uhoro wa one man one vote one shilling, andu aingi ni mamuhurire mbara, umwe wao ari President William Ruto, tondu ni realize mundu uyu ri arenda development nyingi cithie kirima-ini. Na nie de president wa bururi wa Kenya, dire president wa Mount Kenya. Tutirauga wewe president wa Mount Kenya, lakini if we did you a favor, if we paid your debt, why shouldn't you pay ours? Na nikio Muigai akiaria araugire twike differences citu thi tunyitanire tondu wa ruriri rwitu. Arauga ruriri mbere, inchi mbele. Nyumba ya Mumbi na Gikuyu ndimwire turi hatikaine muno, na egokorwo ni tuguthie na mbere na mbara ici twina cio every day, akuna mali tunaelekea. Tugika differences citu thi tunyitanire ta nyumba ya Mumbi au neho tuguthie na mbere wega. Lakini tukiendelea na hizo vita za kipumbavu ambazo zipo eneo la Mlima Kenya, we are going and heading nowhere. Nataka kusoma a few comments za Wakenya. Treda kuthoma a few comments. Na ndimwire mundu ucio retwa Didi Nyorori, ekorwo na ambitions cia gutuika president wa bururi witu wa Kenya, nieterere kaida gake gakinye, ethe giti kia DP, agiatha kia DP ri athie na mbere gwetha giti kia president. Agika uguo ni tukurugama nake, tondu ni agakorwo ari gutuprovia ati onake no kiagatuika president wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Tutikomuthura ati tondu ni atongoretie andu ake haru for the last 2 terms. No, tukumuthura tondu ni approvia a Kenya othe ati nie ta Didi Nyoro no duike DP kana no duike representative wa kirima kia Mount Kenya. Tigaide mwire utire mundu wahurirwo mbara nene gukirere yahurirwo DP Gachagua. Gachagua rutagwo kwao nyumba atire na nguo mbere ya mutumia wake na ciana ciake. Na mundu uyu ni agimara tondu ati niona ona ugikorwo President Uhuru Kenyatta ni ajikire ono ri na ni ndi mwikite giki na kiria ri siniamuke tu niseme pole. Mtu amenilea politically, mtu amenisimamisha politically, amenionyesha mbele. Riu niere Gachagua tiga ijeke wega thieho emwera kri Uhuru Kenyatta tondu uyu niwe kingpin wa Mount Kenya. Wewe Ndindi Nyoro na Kimani Ichung'wah mnapiga kelele sana akina Waiguru kwanza. Uhuru Kenyatta wewe, he took bullets for you. Mudoshi ahuragwo bara day in day out tondu wa Anne Waiguru, na Anne Waiguru niwe uri uratogoria andu kuhura Gachagua bara. Tondu tukiangalia akotami yake ya pili, ambitions zake ni kubwa kuliko portfolio yake. Tunaelewana? Ndenda guthoma message ya Muigai wa Njoroge. Alipost video na ino video araugire ruriri mbere. Na some of the people aria mara comment ndenda guthoma a few comment, na mundu umwe waria mara comment ni mundu wikaine ta Justina Wamae. Ririkana Justina Wamae niwe wari running mate wa Wajakoya through Roots Party, na ici nicio ciugo cia Justina Wamae. Aramwirire Muigai atiriri, wewe ulidanganywa juu au kupewa as promised. Let's be honest, Wakikuyu tumewacha kuuziwa uoga ya lack of unity. Our unity benefits just the elite like yourself, leaving the ordinary masses struggling. At least you would have remained impartial in calling out bad behavior, but you dropped the ball since you were promised personal gains. Those of us with the nationalist outlook prefer we collaborate with other Kenyans. Wajinga tumerevuka. Osho ni Justina Wamae. Wengi wanamuuliza mbona unasema ukweli. Karo Mwaniki akauga, you brought the hatred in Mount Kenya through your songs. We will never forget that. Mhubiri Johana anasema, I quote Professor Saitoti the late today, it comes a time when the nation is important than an individual. Ben Gedha yakauga, this is what the Bible talks about when we read of going back to the crossroads. Albert Degwa akaiga, those who are pro Tugege mkae huko. Pro Uhuru we are comfortable where we are. Your noise is deafening. Eli Duati akauga, bare yake Medero ni wokira. Reke mwana wa muthini athane. Niguo waigire tigai mwana wa muthini athane. Riwo muthiri uraturia ki muthuri, na niwe watwirire ati dynasty ndikwathana ringi. Murarehe Uhuru Kenyatta na mukamurehe kanwa-ini kanu tondu wake, na ninywe mwamuingatire. Kama Umonyu anasema ho story mob so much of the amateurish poems. Si ungeenda tu direct to Gachagua manenos na useme umelipwa ngapi brother. Nothing about ruriri. Wairimu Kamuri akauga, tondu Uhuru muthigi anetwo ni Kibaki na guoko. Muigai wonaga we muge muno. Menyerera kuhinga ukirie njano. Wira waku ni kuheo besha ukaina nyimbo cia Romena. Wambugu Sam akaiga, Gachagua arudishe kondoo za wenyewe. Uchaguzi ulikuwa umeisha. Uhuru is at peace. Gachagua die kina Muramba. Joseph Muigai akauga, mimi naomba tukosane kabisa na Kikuyu tufinywe kabisa hadi ile siku tutajijua. Sai ndio mnaona vile mlikuwa mnaambiwa. Hata Gachagua mwenyewe akumbuke zile mambo zote ameishi kutusi Uhuru na bado hajakipata. Moses Kiariajenga anasema, uhoro wa mani ati Ruto niwe watu gayanirie 2017 to 2022 na nowe uratogayaniona riu. Until we see the bigger picture, we shall sing this unity song till cows come back home. Our enemy is he who is dividing us. Na Muigai ni ararispodre kire comment yenu akiuga woitiga maheni tiga ndemuire. Ona ugikorwo mundu uyu ni arainire na akiuga ruriri mbere ri, mundu uyu aiketwe cigana because his political portfolio and his political songs have been of those attacking the former president. Riwa mothe nikimwona kiria murabatara kiri Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta. Ona tukiuge ruriri mbere riri, yes, tunasema ruriri mbere. Na ni dronire ona Pauline Njoroge akiuga uguo. Ati Uhuru Kenyatta na Gachagua muthenya uria makunyitana nirio President William Ruto akudeliver to the promises iria hekire andu a Kirima. Yes, tutasema yote hayo. Lakini ndimurie inywa Gikuyu. Ogekoro William Ruto niwe watugayanirie 2017 to 2022. Ona thaici niwe uratugayania. Thaici kwena andu a Gachagua na kuri na andu a Ndindi Nyoro. Muthenya uria mukogeganire wakati mtafunguka macho ni lini? Dronire Kioni akiuga hati nitwaigua apology yake. Nitukwaria na Uhuru Kenyatta tuone kana ni akuforgive Gachagua. Let me ask, do you know the humiliation that President Uhuru Kenyatta has gone through since these people are ascended to power? Tigana na borishi yake Northlands. Achana na mifugo yake Northlands. Kupifika point mpaka ya ku-attack his own family. Remember, walidanganya hata mama yake, the security, that Mama Ngina has been with it for a very long time. Over 30-40 years. Since muthuri wake ahurukire. Apart from that, ni mathiire ona magithie kwa mwanake wa Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta kawe Jomo. Makienda kunyita Jomo hati hena mishiga mucii. Let me ask, what will it take for President Uhuru Kenyatta to forget all that? You know, even though Uhuru ali-arrest Gachagua, even though Uhuru did everything to these politicians, he never crossed the line of going after the families. Mshaisikia Nick amesumbuliwa na serikali watoto wa Ruto? No, mutire mwaigua. Mshaisikia Raila Junior wakati Uhuru alikuwa anashindana na Raila? Mshaisikia akina Raila Junior akina Winnie Odinga wamekamatwa? Hapana. But Ruto na Gachagua, you crossed the line. Renda kumenya inyore omothe ni mukuga ruriri runyitane kana mwere andu aya waweke pesa zenye wamelipwa kando, wazungumze kama watu ambao hawajawekwa kwa mfuko na President Uhuru Kenyatta na Gachagua. Ni murenda Uhuru Kenyatta na Gachagua manyitanire? Niye negwenda, si eti napenda Gachagua mimi. No, I don't support anything that comes out of that man's mouth. No, niye disupportaga mundu ucio. Niye ndare mundu wa Uhuru na Raila. Niye nda supportire na nda play party yakwa tondu niye ni ndaurithagia kura. Niye ndari umwe waria mahuthagira pages ciao. Page yakwa ya Jajala Mjini TV yari pro Raila. Idwe nithio twaseli Raila agenda. No mugithi mugicangura mundu ucio. Thaici nirio mwari realize ati mundu ucio ndarabatara gukorwo ari president wa bũrũri witũ wa Kenya. I want to hear your comments. Todo onogikorwo ni tukwaria day in day out ri, solution yitu ni iriku? Todo kirima kwina bara iraririmuka. Nyumba ya Mobi, Gikuyu, Meru, Embu, Ikamba, Tharaka Nithi, Mwiko, ndĩrenda kuigua opinion cianyu. Twina kaunti nyingi muno ithwe ta nyumba ya Mobi na Gikuyu. Tuko na kaunti ngapi? Laikipia County, Nyandarua County, Kirinyaga County, Nakuru County, Murang'a County, Nyeri County, Kiambu County, Meru County, Tharaka Nithi County, Embu County. Icio ni county cigana? Ndagweta nyingi muno. Ona Nairobi ni yitu. Lakini sisi ndio tunaumia sana. We are being termed as the minority while we are the majority. What is your opinion? Naona nyinyi wote mnasema Muigai ni atige kwaria tondu we niwe wa tumire bũrũri uyu umene Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta. kuhitukira nyimbo ciake. What is your take? Subscribe.